This you can see, it is a heat mosquito killing bed. Heat, it is from Godrej. I will show you what is inside this bed. Okay, you will see what type of battery they used to supply, what type of circuit they used to provide with this. I thought it to be a very good bed, that's why I purchased it. But after 2 or 3 months, the battery died. If I charge also, I can kill only 1 or 2 mosquito. After that, I have to charge it for 3-4 hours. I'll show you.
Time
You can see how I will fit. I will open the first. I'm opening the screw one by one. After opening the screw, you can see the circuit. You can see after opening this battery I have taken out. This is the battery. Not good battery, but the circuit is good, very good circuit. But the charging, it will be very slow. Charging circuit is not that good. Its ampere is very low in comparison to this.
time লাগিব
It will take around 6-7 hours for a battery of 2200 mAh. To get it fully charged, it will take around 6-7 hours. So after removing, I'm cutting the wire. You can see.
এইটো শনিবাৰে হ'ব তাৰমানে হেৰি বুলি কৈছে আকৌ এই কি বোলে নেল দিছে সেইবোৰ দিছে বুলি কৈছে
এইটো অলপ চিললে তাৰমানে এইটো চলজাৰিংটো লাগে নহ'লে নালাগে
Now before fitting, I have to solder the battery on both sides because the battery, it is very difficult to solder. So I'm fixing the quick fix and applying some soldering so that it will be easy for me to solder the wire from the racket. The red one is positive while the other one which I have cut is negative. After pasting on the battery, I'm going to solder the wire to the battery. এইটো আছে ৰঙা যিমান
মানে এইটো মই এনেই চাই থৈছোঁ
It is very easy. You can also do. The battery costs only 120 rupees. Both I have ordered from Flipkart. It costs around 220 for 2 battery. So it is much cheaper than to throw away the mosquito bed. A good mosquito bed, it costs around 500, 600 like that. So if you use this battery for 1 year, don't have to worry. And no need to charge the bed every day because it will give very good backup. Now I'm soldering, you can see.
আন্ধাৰ হৈছে চাগে তোমাৰ
No, sir.
হ'ল সেইটো চাইডটো কাটিব লাগিব নাই এইটো বহুত চাইড ষ্টিকাৰ
এটা আছে ভিতৰত
টেষ্টিং কৰি চাওঁ
After soldering, I will test it and see whether it will work or not. You can see it is working fine.
পুৰা ফুল ফ'ৰ্চ আছে
Full force.
এইটো এনেকৈ এনেকৈ মাৰি থাকোঁতে হিলি যায় যে এনেই আঠাটো লাগিবই আঠাটোতো লাগিয়ে থাকিব ভালে
চাওকচোন প্লাগটো নিচে
এইটো?
অঁ প্লাগটো ঠিক আছে You can see after opening this battery I have taken out. I am going to fit this battery. It is 2200 mAh. That means it will provide good backup. And it is this battery provided with the bed is only around, you can say, 400-500 mAh. So I cannot kill too many mosquitoes. Only a few mosquitoes and the battery used to die. And look at this battery. It is 2200 mAh. And the volt is same. 3.7 volt here. You can see 3.7 volt. Okay, 3.7 volt. It is also same 3.7 volt, but mAh is very, very low. So this side it is positive, negative. You can see how I will fit